Hello everybody, hello YouTube everybody, whoever visits my channel. My name is Dennis. I'm new to guns, especially when it comes to handguns. My first handgun was a Glock 26 9mm. I kind of wondered what kind of pistol I should have gone with when it came to new with handguns. Well, one day I went out and bought, so I said, screw it, you can't go wrong with a 9mm. Well, I went out and got me a Glock 26 Gen 4. It was used. I paid $600 for it. Well, when I shot it at first as a new shooter, just really scared the crap out of me, really. But then, later on, I got used to it. Well, now I decided to go out and buy this this handgun. This is a Glock 19 Gen 4. It's a little bit larger, slightly a little bit larger, and it's one finger groove bigger than the Glock 26, and I haven't got a chance to shoot it yet, but I'm going to soon. Well, I'll let you guys know of this. This is pretty much my third pistol, actually. I went out and bought me a 22 Rossi 22, is a revolver. It was an 8-shooter, was pretty good. This is not loaded anyway. See? If you look in there, there's nothing in there. No bullet. Anything like that, so. Yeah. Kind of wondering about the Glock 19, so that's what I went out and got. And what I was told, YouTubers like Hickok 45, you can't go wrong with it. So yeah, here it goes. We'll find out in a few days. See how well this thing goes. I do kind of miss my Glock 26 though, because it's a smaller type pistol and more ideal of conceal and carry. I like to have everything concealed. I don't have to worry about anything else. So, well, this is my first video, so I'll let you guys know. See ya.